And this video is for the Abraflex. This is an awesome sander. You can use it for woodworking, drywall, kitchen, just about anything. Anti-clog, dust extraction, wet and dry sanding, cuts faster and lasts longer. You get one sponge and then 20 sheets, which here are the sheets. I'll show you how it works in a second. You got a 60 grit, 80, 100, 120, 150, 180, 240, and 320. So here's your sanding block, and it's just similar to a regular sanding block that has grit on just the top and the bottom. But this one, what's cool about this is it comes with these sheets, and you got the Velcro. So you just line it up just like that, wrap it around just like that, and there you go. You are ready to sand and start. Like, this is a piece of wood that needs to be sanded for a little project, but yeah, you can already feel it. And what's great is, since you're getting all these sheets of all these different grits, you can start with the 60, but you have sheets and you have one sponge, and that's it. You don't have to get multiple sponges. Now the great thing about this too is, if you want to like get edges, or you want to wrap around like a pipe or a dowel or something, or getting really hard to reach corners or something like that, that's where you can use these sanding sheets. So it's really a great product. So let's go right to like a 60. Let's see what this one is. On the back it says the grit on them. So here's a 60. Gonna be a little bit more grittier. You can already feel it. So that's gonna rough it up a bunch. You can actually see the scratches maybe. So it really scratched it up, really roughed it up good. And then, if you were sanding like normal, you would work your way down all the way to 320, which is going to make that wood nice and smooth. But what's great about this is you can also use it for drywall, which I paint a lot, so I'll use probably the 120. And what's awesome is you got one sanding block and all these sheets. So you don't have to keep throwing these things away, because you can just switch it out as fast as you want. So from Abraflex, this is a great product. All these extra sheets that you get to use, it'll last a long time. But yeah, this is a great product. Can highly recommend. Definitely pick up one of these.